Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Niceboy HIVE Podsie 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting or not pairing with your device or with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, out of the left ear or the right ear, or any kind of connectivity issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set these up as a new set of earbuds, maybe on a new phone or a new device, and you just want them to forget everything else they were connected to in the past, so you can set them up like they're coming out of the box new, we can do this quite easily. All we need to do is we're going to first want to turn our earbuds off, and then we are going to delete them from whatever devices we'd had in the past. Once we do that, we want to come and turn both of our earbuds on, and so they should go into the blinking mode like they're trying to pair. And when we do that, we're going to find the button on the back of either earbud, doesn't matter which one. We're just going to tap it 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. At which point we'll hear like an audible thing, an audible noise, and the earbuds will turn off. Once we do that, we can put them in the case, close the case, and then open the case, take them out, turn them back on, and they should start to repair as a new set of earbuds.